Maybe you just bought a home or you have an existing home. Either way, having a well-functioning garage door can be very satisfying. When it's working smoothly, all is right with the world. Neighborhood Garage Door Services can ensure that this is your lot in life. We've been taking care of business for over 20 years. Installations, repairs, and replacements are all offered. We are available 24 hours a day on most occasions. We can be the key to your garage door needs. Neighborhood Garage Door Services. Go to our website and give us a call.